Hey there! If you're tired of those pesky white flakes falling on your shoulders, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into natural remedies to help you banish dandruff forever. First up, let's talk about tea tree oil. This essential oil is a powerhouse with its antifungal and antibacterial properties. Just mix a few drops with your regular shampoo and wash as usual. It helps reduce the yeast on your scalp that can cause dandruff. Next, we have apple cider vinegar. This stuff is like magic in a bottle. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, then apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing. The acidity of the vinegar helps to balance your scalp's pH and removes the buildup of dead skin cells. Now let's not forget about coconut oil. It's not just great for cooking. Coconut oil moisturizes your scalp and has antifungal properties. Warm up a few tablespoons and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for a few hours, or overnight if you can, then wash it out. Aloe Vera is another fantastic remedy. It soothes the scalp and has anti-inflammatory properties. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing. Your scalp will feel refreshed and hydrated. Finally, consider adding some probiotics to your diet. Foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut can help balance the good bacteria in your gut, which in turn can affect the health of your scalp. Remember, consistency is key with these remedies. Give them a try and see which one works best for you. Say goodbye to dandruff and hello to a healthier scalp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you next time.